I want to give you a little bit of homework, a practice. And if I could just employ you in your own songs, is pretend that you're a publisher or you're another songwriter or a recording artist. And now you're coming along to, to check out this song of yours. And because if I'm doing that, if I go to a collaborator, doesn't matter who they are, they could be an unknown songwriter or someone really successful. They want to be part of the song, so they're going to ask questions. Is that the right melody? Is that the right chords? And so forth. Can we fix that? Can we make that verse stronger? Well, why don't you try to do that now? And it's a little practice I do. So if you pick on a song you've written and go to the verse, the melody, if that's your melody, all right? Okay, so two things. Can you strengthen that melody? Can you make it more interesting? Or just for the heck of it, try that melody like I was doing in that video with different chords. And some won't work. I don't know. This is your song. You work out what does your song do, and can you just listen to it through the ears of someone else, and that's all it is. And one of the things I do it 3 or 4 times, maybe 10 times. I might just really exhaust myself, but at the end I come back and I go, did I make it better? Or do I say, you know what, I really like what I wrote before, and then I have something, a deeper love for it. I have more confidence for the song. So when I do take this to a publisher, I do take this to another artist, I go, no, this is it. And that's just a practice you do. So I'm doing it all the time. I've got a song I'm working on this afternoon of mine that I'm unsettled. I'm not convinced. So I'm going to be doing this process on a song. So that's your homework. That's just, and I would say to you, every time you write a song, every time you think you've finished a song, go back and work on it again. Can I strengthen it? Can I mess around? What else can I do to make it better? And the melody side of things. Anyway, I hope that helps, but it's a process of mine, and I hope it becomes a process of yours. Cheers.